Hi there. Finding the 5 best car winches worthy of your earned money is certainly challenging. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Check the product links below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Champion Truck SUV Winch Kit. Champion Power Equipment is one of the highest rated brands present on our list today. It is featuring one of the most powerful winches suitable for heavy applications. Coming in first place, we have the Champion Truck/SUV Winch Kit with Remote Control Kit that features a massive 10,000 pounds pulling capacity and powered by a 3.6 horsepower wound motor. Even with a high capacity, it is quite efficient with the performance as the motor allows a fast line speed of up to 3.9 feet per minute even when it's under full load capacity. The overall winching experience is made very simple with this device as it comes with a dedicated handheld remote control that allows you to connect the device very quickly. The pulling cable on the Champion Truck/SUV Winch Kit with remote control is 85 feet long and made up of galvanized Super Duty aircraft material for safe and smooth performance. Champion Power Equipment is offering a 2-year-long warranty period on this device. Number 2. Our second best pick is Smittybilt X20 Synthetic Rope Winch. Smittybilt is also a renowned name that has been included on our list today. If you require a heavy-duty option, Smittybilt will be a great choice. In the second position, we have put yet another high-capacity electrical winch designed by Smittybilt. The Smittybilt X20 Comp is a completely waterproof winch that features a synthetic rope that allows a maximum load capacity of up to 10,000 pounds. The kit also includes a forged hook and a Haas fair lead for best performance. Apart from that, you will be getting a wireless remote and a 98.5 feet long synthetic cable as well. The motor features a 3-stage planetary gear system and dual solenoid mounting options so that you can easily mount the device on any vehicle. Smittybilt is providing a lifetime warranty period on the mechanical parts of the winch. As for the electrical parts, you will be getting a 5 years long warranty period. This is possible because of the 500 amp solenoid present on the device. Number 3. Our third best pick is Warn VR Evo Electric Winch. Warn is a highly reliable brand that features a variety of products that are similar to a winch and suitable for identical applications. Up next, we are including the most reliable Warn 103252 winch kit that you will be using for a very long time. The Warn 103252 VR Evo 10 Electric is still a comparatively better option than most other choices present on the market as it features up to 10,000 pounds power capacity powered by a steel cable. The high pulling capacity is possible because of the 90 feet long steel rope having a diameter of 3/8 inches. It is powered by a high-power wound series motor and planetary gear mechanism that allows a high line speed of up to 25 feet per minute under load. Still, it has a lower amp draw that allows you to use the device without requiring high power. Warn is providing a lifetime warranty period on its mechanical parts and a long 7 years warranty period on electrical parts. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is FIERYRED Electric Synthetic Rope Winch. FIERYRED is yet another affordable brand feature on our picks today. The winch from FIERYRED is perfectly suitable for light applications. FIERYRED Electric Synthetic Rope ATV Winch is the most affordable winch present in the market today with a possible lifting capacity of up to 4,500 pounds. The motor powering this unit has a 1.9 horsepower rating and a full metal 2-stage gear system which makes it easier to pull the load. FIERYRED 12 volts electric synthetic rope motor is a permanent magnet motor that ensures high performance for a longer lifespan. It is one of the smart options as there are dual wireless remote controls with a range of up to 25 meters. The synthetic rope used on this device is highly advanced and almost 10 times better in comparison with other synthetic ropes present in this class. It allows up to 2.6 feet per minute line speed under full load. Without any load, it can go as high as 10.8 feet per minute. Number 5. Last but not the least, Our fifth best pick is ZEAK Premium Electric Winch. Talking about industry-grade premium products, you must check out the winch designed by ZEAK. It is also a premium brand in the market that has a lot of similar options for many applications. The ZEAK Premium Electric Winch is a premium option for those who are looking for a heavy-duty winch for their car under a suitable price range. It can be installed on a wide range of vehicles such as a Jeep, SUV, or even a pickup truck. The maximum weight capacity for this electric winch ranges up to 13,000 pounds, which are quite high considering its price range. You will find the mounting bolts, the winch itself, a clevis hook, and a control box in the package. On top of that, the IP68 water resistance just makes it as reliable as any other heavy-duty option in the market when it comes to environmental damage. The synthetic rope used in this winch has 3/8 inches in diameter and 86 feet long. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.